Good day, people. So, most people know that I've been doing my mortgage and that the the dirty cops and the rest of them all came in and like pushed me out. So they did that without a warrant, a writ, a warrant of possession or anything. They just did that. So they broke the law. So anyway, they get what they got coming anyway. The purpose of this video is today is to let you all know what's really going on and why people can't get in to court. And the reason why you can't get into court is because in 2005, when Tony Blair was Prime Minister around his era, what he did was he changed the law so that quangos like Lloyds Bank could start paying him, or they started paying him, so that they could pick the judges that they wanted in place. So they could put their judges in, and this is why no one can get into court. And then I'll tell you something else. There's another guy who actually sits on he's the chairman of Lloyds Bank, but he also works for the Crown. And he organises the Crown estate. He's called Robin Bastard, more like, but he's called Robin Boulevard or something like that he's called. But if that ain't a conflict of interest, I don't know what is. So basically what happens is Lloyds Bank have own all the judges, and they literally own all the judges. The judges are working for Lloyds Bank, so when a case comes in, someone challenges a mortgage, what they do is they stick one of their judges in front of them, and then that judge obviously doesn't want to listen to the person that's there exactly what they did to me. It was corruption, total corruption, and justice does not exist. In fact, I think Britain or England is lawless when it comes to us using law against them. That's called tyranny, and they are committing tyranny against us. They're tyrannical. And they've been left to do what they want for far too long. Anyway, getting back to the Lloyds gang. So what they're doing is they pay the judge. The judge does what he wants. There's generally no order of possession, no writ, no order of anything, to make it perfectly honest. And then they send in the heavies. The bailiffs aren't high court bailiffs, because I mean, in my case, this where I live don't even have a high court, so how can they be high court bailiffs? There isn't one. But anyway, so what they're doing is this guy is then, because they can't put they can't change the title deed that they've got, so what they have to do is they have to auction your house off, and the Crown pick it up. The Crown then apply to land registry to change the title deed, because no one else can change the title deed, because on my house, I am still on the title deeds, and that's nearly a year after. So I think what they're doing is, after a year, they're doing a salvage claim. They're putting in a salvage claim and claiming it back for the Crown, because they can't sell it to anyone, even though they are selling it. But all they're selling is a bit of paper. They can't sell the house because the house is still yours. Anyway, I just thought I'd let you know that Lloyds Bank own the judges and they're controlling the judiciary. And where did I get that from? Well, Liz Truss law. She was in for 45 days or 49 days, but she has to be there for 45 days plus 3 days rescission, so that takes it to 48 days, and she left on the 49th day. So that's why she's there, and that's why she's got her pension. There you go. Corruption right to the top. Anyway, there you go. Lloyds Bank, King Group, con men, complete con men owning all the judiciary.